Hello, my friend. Do you know how the manhole cover on the highway is made? Today, let me introduce to you a machine that specializes in the production of manhole covers and well-ring sand molds. It's a large casting machine behind me, double-side sand blowing automatic molding machine. The sand mold size of this machine is 1100 x 1400 m. It can make a very large sand mold. It is very suitable for making manhole covers and well rings, and the sand mold adopts upper and lower parting. It is very convenient to put some sand core shells. We have finished the production of the molding machine. The customer has also sent the mold. After we have mixed the sand, we can try the mold. Let's look forward to the test results of the manhole cover and the well ring. Come on, my friends. After the sand is added to the double-sided sand shooting automatic molding machine, set the parameters, and the worker can start with one key. First, the molding machine mold enters the molding area. Then the cope and drag flasks are closed, followed by pneumatic sand blowing. Then hydraulic extrusion is carried out by 10 cylinders of the cope and drag flask. After the compaction is completed, the cope and drag flasks are separated and the molds are returned. Let's take a closer look at the effect of sand molding. It is very beautiful, and the logo on the casting is very clear. The automatic molding machine has the advantages of simple operation and high automation degree, adjustable height of sand mold, wide range of application. Through pneumatic sand blowing and hydraulic extrusion, the sand mold has high compactness, improve production efficiency and casting quality, help foundries upgrade from hand molding to machine molding. Next, let's take a look at the compactness of the sand mold produced by the molding machine. After all-round testing, the compactness of the sand mold of the manhole cover is between 80 and 95 degrees, can meet the requirements of customers for sand mold. At present, more than 20 countries have used our molding machine. For example, Algeria, Turkey, Egypt, Malaysia, India, Pakistan, Argentina, Thailand, Vietnam, Foundry in Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, etc. We win the market because of quality. We win public praise for our service. And our molding machine is constantly improving and upgrading in order to provide users with a more useful molding machine. After the sand core shell is put in, press the mold closing button. The upper sand box and the lower sand box carry out mold closing on the manufactured sand mold. After the mold is closed, the whole process of sand molding is completed. It takes about 60 seconds to make a sand mold. The prepared sand mold is then poured through molten iron. The casting of the well cover and the well ring can be obtained. Just now you have seen the working process of the molding machine. What do you think? Is it very convenient and simple? This is the sand mold, which is very big. The size of this sand mold is 1100 x 1400 m. I'm going to stand up and dance now. See if the sand mold made by our molding machine is hard and will fall down. My height is 165 厘米, weight about 68千克. Look at me dancing happily up there. There's nothing wrong with the sand mold. There's nothing wrong with trusting us. We have been producing this machine for more than 10 years. Very good, beautiful. Come on.